Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to discuss assignment operators in JavaScript. This is the last type of operators. So let's dive right in. So what are assignment operators? Well, in simple terms, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operator is equals, but there are also compound assignment operators that combine an arithmetic operation with assignment. Here are some examples: simple assignment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulus assignment. Let's declare a variable x, assign it value 10. So it's a simple assignment. If I want to add some value to current value of x equals x plus, let's say 5. You can also short this to x plus equals to 5. So it will do the same thing. Let's display the value of x. Console.log, the variable x. Let's check the results. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now the variable x contains value 15. If I want to subtract some value to the current value of x minus equals to, let's say 3. Let's display the value of x. 15 minus 3 is 12. Since the value of x is 15. If I want to multiply some value, x asterisk equals 2, let's multiply it with 2. Let's display it. So 12 times 2 is 24. If I want to divide some value, x / equals to 4. Let's see the output. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. Let's perform modulus operator. This operator finds the remainder when one number is divided by another. X modulus equals to 5. Let's check the results. So 6 is not perfectly divisible by 5, so the remainder will be 1. Let's divide it with 3. 6 is perfectly divisible by 3, so the remainder will be 0. These shorthand operators make your code more concise and readable. And there you have it. We've covered all the types of operators in JavaScript. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing effective and efficient code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.